Hi everybody, this is mrxxfrozzyxx. It's just Trace today because my friend Jacob isn't here today. So, I'm going to show you how to make a paper sniper. First, things you'll need is tape, scissors, and plenty of paper. Alright? Alright. First, you're going to take a piece of paper. Alright. This is what... Oh, never mind. Don't listen to that. Alright, first you need to take a piece of paper. And then roll it up. Until... This will be your barrel. There will be a couple more pieces to go with it. This is going to be your barrel, so it doesn't matter how big or how small you want it. As big as you want your barrel to be. And then you can tape either the edges and then the middle. I usually just do the edge or just the edges. That's what I usually do because it's easier and it saves a lot of tape. Because we'll be needing a lot. Okay, so you got that. And then you're gonna take another piece of paper and then wrap it, around it. Wrap it around that tube, like this, like that, and then tape it again. Alright, and you have two tubes. Now you have two tubes. See? Alright, now you're going to take another piece of paper, then wrap it over this piece of paper. I mean that tube, not the piece of paper, that tube. Make sure it's straight. Then tape it. And tape the other end. Like that. Then you're gonna take the last tube you did and then pull it out like that. Make sure it doesn't go all the way. Make sure like this. Make it go halfway to the middle tube, and then take all the tubes out. So you have 3 tubes. Get the medium tube and then stick it through the biggest tube. Wait a minute. Yeah, get the medium tube and stick it through the biggest tube. Back into it, if I can do it. There we go. I'll stick it in there, like to the tape mark right here, and then tape it. Make sure you tape it all around. Then you take the last tube and then stick it through the medium tube. There. Onto the tape mark again. And then tape it. There we go. Alright, so now you have a tube from here all the way down to here. And that is your barrel. Now what you're going to do is roll a piece of paper. This time, roll it long ways. This time, roll it long ways, like this. Then, you take your barrel. You can either have one handle or two. So, if you want two, you take your scissors and then cut 1/4 of the way down from the top. Like that. And then this will be your second barrel. The small one will be your second barrel. Then you take the longer one, and then, your second handle, sorry. Then you take the longer handle, and then tape it like you did with the barrels, like this. Then okay, now you have this little thing. Take this part, then roll it up long ways. And then tape it. Okay. Alright, now that we have the two handles in the barrel, I'm going to show y'all how to complete the gun in the next one, in the next part, in part 2. This has been a mrxxfrozzyxx production. See you on my next video.